In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create ink splash transition like Magnates Media. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then bring the first image to the timeline. Then add the VW car image. And put the saturation to -50. Change blend mode to overlay and reduce the opacity a little bit. Then add the ink splash video to the timeline. Add the people video. Then change the blend mode to screen. Duplicate the ink splash video. And make these two layers a compound clip. Then change the blend mode to darken. Adjust the white curve of the duplicated layer like this. Then change blend mode to color dodge. And reduce the saturation of the compound layer to -50. Then add a text layer and type Volkswagen and choose a font called Courier New Italic. Then add the typewriter in animation to it and glitch on the out animation section. Add the another text layer and type 2015 because it is related to the video. Then place it down here. For the final touch, select all layers and make them a compound clip. And that's it for today. Hope you liked it, then make sure to smash the like button and comment for any question.